Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and talk to you guys today about headlight bulbs. But before I get into that, I just wanted to say to everybody that's subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you. I'm trying to grow this channel, so every subscriber helps. And if you're not subscribed, then what are you waiting for? It'd really help me out. Anyway, let's get into this. I'm sitting in my truck here. It's a 2018 Ram with the Projector style headlights. I'll show you a picture of those right here. The problem that I was running into was one of my headlights went out, and I was researching online trying to figure out the correct replacement bulb. There was a lot of confusion. Even here on YouTube, I was looking around and discovered a bunch of videos from Headlight Revolution suggesting these, you know, $100, $200, $300 headlights, you know, that were like super bright and awesome and everything. And the problem that I was having was I couldn't get a clear answer as to what headlights to buy. So I just wanted to replace the headlights with an LED bulb. I wanted it nice and bright. And after doing all my research, I ended up with these. I purchased these at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Okay. This is the Sylvania 9005 LED. They keep these behind the counter, so you're gonna have to go up to the desk and ask them, hey, do you have the 9005 Sylvanias in the LED? Now, this truck has the projector headlight, the projector style headlight. I wasn't sure if it came factory with LEDs or not. It's a 2018 Laramie Mega Cab. So I bought it used, and I'm assuming that it did come with LEDs. But when I took the headlights apart, I found this in here. Now this is like one of those anti-flicker devices that you would need to run a headlight in a truck that had halogen bulbs and not LED bulbs. So I was confused. I was like thinking, oh man, you know, are these LED bulbs gonna work on this truck? Because they don't have any of that fancy stuff. It's just a bulb and a clip. That's all it is. There's no, it doesn't have this little anti-flicker device part right here. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this worked. It worked great. And as a matter of fact, I'm still running this aftermarket bulb on the other side. I only replaced the one that was out. And I can't tell a difference. I was also seeing a bunch of stuff about clocking it in and making sure it was exact and putting it on a wall and yada, yada, yada. I replaced this in my garage, and all I did was I unplugged this aftermarket one that was in there, and I have no idea what brand this is. Maybe if you guys do, you could let me know. It looks like it says HE on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but it says HE on the bottom. But yeah, so I just put the Sylvania bulb in its place, didn't clock anything, and I don't know if I just got lucky or what, but it only went in one way, would only come out one way, so I just put it in the way that it would go, put the headlight back together, turned the lights on, and I was parked in my garage, and it looked perfect across the board. So anyway, just wanted to let you guys know, give these a try. You can buy them on Amazon. You can also buy them at O'Reilly Auto Parts. That's where I bought them. I think they were like $99, but I'll leave a link in the description for that. And I'll also leave the link for Amazon, and hopefully that'll help you guys out and solve any confusion. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.